In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up SMS Klaviyo. If you have already been working in Klaviyo for email or general marketing, the process for SMS will feel familiar. You just need to find the right place inside the dashboard and then create the flow that delivers your welcome message. To begin, open Klaviyo and look at the left panel. In that left panel, click Flows. This is the main area where Klaviyo manages automated messages. A flow is basically a ready-made set of rules that sends messages when certain conditions are met, which is exactly what you want for a welcome experience. After you click Flows, you will be taken to the Flows workspace. Take a moment to confirm that you are now viewing the list or overview of your existing flows. If you do not see anything yet, that is also fine. The important thing is that you are in the correct section so you can create a new automation. Next, click Create Flow. This is the button that starts the process of building a new flow from scratch. It may be located near the top of the screen or within the main controls for flows, depending on your layout. When you select Create Flow, Klaviyo will open a setup area where you can choose the type of flow you want to make. Now, when the search options appear, type SMS into the search bar. This step helps Klaviyo filter the flow templates and automation ideas so you can quickly find SMS-specific options. Using the search bar is the fastest way to avoid scrolling through unrelated templates. Once you see the matching results, select SMS Welcome. This is the template you need for setting up an SMS welcome sequence. Choosing the correct template matters because it already includes the basic structure for a welcome message flow, so you do not have to start from a blank page. At this point, there you can find what you need. Klaviyo will show you the SMS welcome flow details, including the content and the settings associated with the welcome automation. Review the information carefully on screen. Look for the parts of the flow where you can confirm the audience and the message timing, since those are the key elements that determine when someone will receive your SMS. While you are on this screen, pay attention to the components Klaviyo provides. You will typically see sections that describe what triggers the flow and sections that control what message gets sent. If there are fields for the sender details or message content, this is where you would expect to make adjustments to match your brand and your desired welcome experience. Also notice any prompts that guide you through the setup steps. Klaviyo often provides a clear path through the workflow, so you should be able to follow what is shown without guessing. If something looks out of place, pause and read the text shown in that area to understand what Klaviyo is asking you to set. Once you have reviewed the SMS welcome flow and confirmed that it is the correct automation, you are effectively ready to finish configuring it based on your preferences. You have now moved from selecting the template to actually viewing the flow setup, where the welcome experience is prepared. That process is the core of setting up SMS automation in Klaviyo. You clicked Flows, you created a new flow, you searched for SMS, and you selected SMS Welcome so you could access the setup you need. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.